Welcome back to Routinehub Academy. In this lesson, we're going to conditional statements, also known as if statements. So what we'll do is we'll create a practical shortcut. The shortcut will check the battery life of our device. If it's below 10%, then it'll remind us to recharge or to charge the device. And so we'll start by first hitting the plus symbol and renaming this Uber Price Protector. Add an action, go to the Finder and type in battery. Get battery status. Go to Browse portion from the bottom, tap Scripting, and under Flow Control, you will tap If. If the battery state, and now I will tap Condition, and choose is less than the number 10, then let's show a result. And the result will state battery low, don't open Uber app. We'll then go and search for another show result. And in this box, we will put battery. Okay, use Uber app. So now what I'll do is tap and hold the show result and then drag it in between the first if otherwise. Next, I'm going to tap and hold the second show result and plop it in between otherwise and if. Then select done. And now when I tap, it says battery okay, use Uber app, and we're done. There's clearly a lot more you can do with conditional statements. They're really helpful in getting your application or shortcut to make decisions based on different criteria or context and provide a whole new layer of functionality and intelligence. Thanks for joining me. Catch you in the next lesson.